So the first time to get out of the parking garage, I pushed the call for service button. Nothing happened. And then I pushed it and I pushed it. Finally, on the fourth time, the gate just opened. This time I pushed it once and I waited, and there was a voice that says, "Hello, how can I help you? What's the problem? How can I, what's," and I'm like, "My hotel room key won't work." And he's like, what's your, oh, sorry. Oh, I can't make that turn. What's your room number? And I told him the room number, and then he let me out. What do you look for?
Window up.
Oh,
Kind of cold.
it's right there.
There.
It's not illuminated?
No.
Maybe, I think only the driver's side is illuminated.
So the car didn't work?
No, the card did not work. It never works. You always have to push the call for service button.
Because I thought you said the first time after we got the new cars it did work.
No, I tried the card, and then maybe I didn't tell you how many times I pushed the call for service button. The card never worked, never, not one time. I've always had to push the call for service button to get out. Except the first time, they on the fourth press, he let me out. This time, I pushed it once, and then there was a voice that said, "How can I help you?" So I got your windows up, rear passenger windows up, but these two windows are down. If it's still too cold, I'll put them up.
It says it's 63 outside, but it feels cooler than 63.